Alrighty guys, here's a little update on Pikachu's baby. It's been about, I want to say about a week since we found the little guy. Only one, but as you can see, Pikachu of course is an amazing daddy. Even though Winter's got some issues. Oh look, we got an eye opening. We've got an eye opening. Hi, let me see that. Hi. Aren't they just that cute as little ugly babies? You guys so big and so cute. Yeah. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and put him back with mommy and daddy. I'm going to let you guys see how well Pikachu's baby's doing. Yeah, bye-bye, babies. You're so cute. You're so tiny and cute. And here's daddy. And here's mama. All messy.